Hello there guys, it's been way over a week since I've actually touched this thing now, and in that time the engine's been out of that because the torque converter decided that it didn't need to really be attached anymore. 4 of the 6 bolts sheared off. As you can imagine, that doesn't go well, so new torque converter later, engine's back in. So yeah, but during doing that, this had to go outside. It's not done it well being in the rain, so obviously it's only in primer. The primer absorbs water. I've got rust on there and in a few places all the way up this post, and a couple of little spots somewhere on the bulkhead as well. So rather annoyingly, we're going to have to strip a load of this off again and paint it again. So yeah, that's really annoying, but not much I could have done about it. I did put this tarp over it, but it still got water blown in because we had some pretty strong winds and rain. So yeah, it's unfortunate. So yeah, I'm going to have to just start off by tidying all this up again, which is a shame. Got rust on my brand new blooming panels. Oh well, what can we do about it? So, well, fix it. So let's do that now. Okay then guys, so if you haven't kind of worked out what we've been doing, we've obviously cleaned up the bulkhead, wire wheel, and got cure rust on that, and in 20 minutes we can paint it. So yeah, it's going to be a good chunk cleaned up and ready to paint. The toe board and the front of the bottom part of the bulkhead there. We have welded up this stiffened triangle onto the inner wing. It doesn't look like you can see particularly well. No, okay, whatever. But yeah, it's all welded up and painted, and I've taken the shock mount bracket off and done the few plug wells that was remaining behind that and ground them down and painted them. So yeah, it's pretty much finished now as the inner wing. So we've got that awkward bit right up at the top in there to get to do. Probably the easiest one's the bracings out, and obviously this bit here where it's going to meet up with the floor. But obviously we need to put the new floor pan in first before that's going to meet up with anything. So yeah, that's pretty much that. There's a tiny bit left on here to do. Look, I'm saving those for a friend who I'm going to teach to weld soon. So once we've got a bit of practice going on some sheet, we'll yeah, have a go on there. So I'll leave that bit anyway for now. But yeah, there we go. It's not going anywhere. It's held in by itself now, so that's fantastic. So yeah, I don't know exactly what I'm going to do while I have another 20 minutes to wait for this. I'm sure we'll find something. Oh, it might be. It's dry. I don't know why I can't paint it now. Anyway, I'll grab a drink anyway, and then we'll do something with that. So yeah, pretty happy with today's progress. So feels like it's coming along a bit more, so that's good. Right. Anyway, I'll get back to you and get something else done. Okay then, guys. So yeah, we've got the bottom part of the bulkhead and the toe board all primed up now, so that is looking way better, as you can see. So obviously still not dry yet. We've left these edges like up here and just all along this edge where the new inner wings obviously gonna have to get welded on, and this here all needs renewing, this section along here. So yeah, I've left all that, no point wasting paint on it. But yeah, it's looking much better now, isn't it? So that's good. When we get it off the jig to do this end of the cross member, obviously I'll unbolt all this and we can do all behind the mounts there as well. But obviously the car will be the correct way up then, so it's easier to do as much of it now as possible. So yeah, looking way better anyway, so that's nice. And obviously we've got welding pretty much finalised on that as well today, so yeah, there we go. Pretty happy with today's progress. So yeah, there. Thank you very much for watching, guys. And yeah, sorry, I know it's going to be a few episodes ago now, but I'm apologising now that there's been massive delays in uploads and everything because of the engine situation with that and yada yada. Anyway, hopefully we'll get back to normal by the time you're watching this, so there we go. But anyway, yeah, stop rambling, let's get on with it. So thanks for watching, guys, and drop us a like if you like what I've done here. You know, you want to subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, as I say, catch you in the next video. Bye for now.